dampening the area. We're about 3 minutes away, so get in place. You can make a little noise for the 3 minute call. Go right ahead. And 60 seconds goes really quick. We're actually about 2 minutes away. 2 minutes away. We'll say goodbye to our South Bay power plants. Well, time is just ticking. Apparently it's about 60 seconds away. So get in place, get those cameras ready.
That's the helicopter. Ready? Can you see? Stand
More
up if you want.
for the countdown. Gonna be doing the.
Get it closer. That's it. It's not as close as we can.
Chair Moore will be doing the countdown.
What?
Get in there, watch it.
And then you have to hold it up.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
We're just about 10 seconds. Here we go.
7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All the fish are like, oh look,
Yeah, that's cool. That's better than fireworks.